d by dx of sin x is cos x. Here the variable of differentiation is x and the angle is also x. Angle and variable are same. Then your answer is cos x. So what will be d by dz of sin z? What will be the answer?
Cos Z.
Cos z. Because variable and the angle are same. What will be d by dx of sin u? U stands for a function of x. U is not a constant. If u is a function of x, what will be the derivative of sin u? What I have to do? Divide and multiply by du. दोनों same करवा दिया. Into du by dx. du को divide and multiply किया. du को divide and multiply किया. Answer क्या मिलेगा? Cos u into du by dx. Pashwa, for what purpose you came to my class? Okay. Everybody look at the board. When I'm differentiating sin u, when the angle part is different from the variable of differentiation, alag alag hai, not same. Angle is different from the variable of differentiation, sin will change to cos. What happens? The sin will change to cos. But the angle will not change. You heard me properly? And again, you will have to take the derivative of the angle. So tell me, derivative of sin of x square. What is the variable of differentiation?
X.
And angle?
X square.
X square.
Are they same?
No.
No.
Then your method will be sin will change to cos.
Cos X square.
Angle will remain the same. Into
Derivative of X square.
X square.
Derivative of the angle. So your answer became cos of x square into 2x.
2x.
Okay, we'll practice some more. Everybody observe, don't write anything. Just keep on observing. The more you observe, learning become faster. Derivative of cos u. Again, angle and variable of differentiation are different.
Minus sin u.
Correct.
And derivative of u.
Derivative of the angle.
Yeah,
The
that's
technique?
yes, sir.
Fast idea. Okay. Derivative of tan u.
It will be derivative
Sec
of
square u.
Tan will change to
10 will change to 6.
sec square.
Sec square
Angle,
u.
what happens to angle? Should I differentiate the angle? Or angle should be kept same?
Angle kept same na, sir. Then d by
Then
dx.
I must do the derivative of angle. Okay. So let me confuse you. What is derivative of tan of sin x? Tan of sin x. What is the angle part here?
Sin x in x.
Sin x is the angle part. So tan will change to
Sec
Sec square times sin x.
what about the angle part of sec square?
Sin x.
Increase the cos.
No, angle part should not be differentiated. Then in the last second term will be derivative of the angle.
Angle part. That is sin
That
x.
time you will write it as cos x.
It will be sec
What the point?
The
This is a secret of the whole success. Angle should remain the same. No change in the angle when you differentiate. Only you will have another third term. You will have a second term. What is the second term? Derivative of the angle. Okay. Don't write. Pay attention only. Don't write. Derivative of sec root x. Sec or sec. Nothing like that. Sec. Yeah, tell me. What is the derivative of sec x? Sec will change to what?
Minus sec root x into tan root x.
So sec root x tan root x into
Derivative of root x.
derivative of root x. Got the idea? The trigonometric part changes. The angle part does not change. Then after that, derivative of the angle part.
1/2.
Everybody understood the method of finding the derivative
Yes.
of a trigonometric function? Now start writing. Chain rule for trigonometric function. Trigonometric ratios you write instead of function. Anything will do. D by dx of sine u. D by dx of sine u. What will happen?
Sine will change to cos and angle remains
Cos
Right.
and derivative of u.
yeah.
Change to cos. Then angle will remain same. Angle same. Into a new term, derivative of the angle. You have to learn like that. Trigonometry part change according to the formula. The angle part of the trigonometry does not change. And after you have done that, derivative of the angle. Now you write yourself directly. No need of making all this diagram. Only first one you make this diagram. D by dx of cos u. Write your answer.
Minus sine u and d by dx of u.
Correct. Minus sine u into d by dx. Pashwa will give me the answer for this. D by dx of tan u. Pashwa. Yeah, it's not there. And he tells me like.
Yes, sir.
What is the derivative of tan u? So रहा था.
Sec square.
What is the derivative of tan x? वो मालूम है आपको?
Sec square.
So tan u का derivative क्या होगा?
Square u. Sec square u.
बस ना?
Derivative of u.
Sec square u into derivative of u. Okay, one more I want you to tell. D by dx of cot u.
Cosec u. Cosec square u.
No minus.
Yes, minus cosec square u.
Minus cosec square u. बस ना?
D by dx into u.
D by dx of u. Then d by dx of cq. Sec or sec, whatever you speak.
Sec into tan u. D by dx of u.
Look here, sec u, tan u. Both the place the angle will be same as the original. Into derivative of the angle.
Yes, sir.
And last formula, d by dx of cosec u.
Minus cosec u. Cot u.
Very good. Into derivative of the angle.
D by dx of u.
So trigonometry part changes according to the formula. Angle part of the trigonometric ratio does not change, but we need to find the derivative of the angle again. That is why derivative of sine 2x you did, no? Today we have done derivative of sine 2x in some other method.
Yeah.
Now use this formula and tell me.
Cos.
Cos 2x and derivative of 2x.
Derivative of x. And because of that, cos 2x into 2 has come.
Yes, sir.
There was a 2 in the answer, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you ready now? All of you have written this?
Yes, sir.
I have 3 more minutes. So I need you to answer this. D by dx of tan of root sin x.
Sec square root sin x and derivative of root sin x.
Excellent. I wish all of you would speak like you. Yeah, now give me the answer.
Sec square root sin x into cos x by 2 root sin x.
Don't give me so much answer directly. Give it step by step. Because I have to make
1
others.
by 2 root sin x
Ah,
into derivative of sin x.
into derivative of sin x. That is the reason why we call it chain rule. One after the other, we are applying the formula. 6 square root sin x, 1 by 2 root sin x
Into cos.
Derivative of sin x is cos x.
into cos x. That's my answer. Very good. Excellent. तुम लोग उस्ताद बन गए. That's what my class is so divided. One side I have excellent student, other side non-cooperating students. I want to confuse you best. Derivative sine of cos square x. Austin, make a try. Firstly, you're writing. Yeah, you're writing now. Okay. My last question for the day. First, you tell me what is the trigonometry part and which is the angle part. Before you start that, you have to identify that. What is the trigonometry?
Sine is the trigonometric part.
And the angle is?
Cos square x.
Yeah. So give me the answer.
Sine.
Trigonometry part will change.
No. Cos.
Ah.
Cos into cos square x.
Cos of, say into. Into means multiplication. Cos of
cos square x.
Ah.
Into d by dx of cos square x.
Very good. Excellent. Now your mind should work on what rule to apply on this.
Power rule.
Power.
It starts with what? There
Power,
are three
sir.
terms in, there are 3 terms in a power rule. First, it will start with
2.
2. Then then reduce the power by
1.
1.
1.
D by dx.
D by dx of
Cos x.
cos.
Cos x.
So you have
That
to
is
count and say how many terms are there, and then you will become expert after some time.
Minus sin x. Yes, sir.
So if you want, you can write your final answer as 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x. Sin 2x. And then you can write cos of cos square x. Is it fine, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm
Yes,
stopping the last question with that. It's 10:15.
So one little last.
You can write. So today I'm sending you homework again. 2 homeworks I'm going to send you today. I have to make both of them. Parabolas I have not sent you. I have not made it. Yesterday went in 11th standard and 12th standard. Today I have to do that. Okay. Please, students, cooperate. Ayush, 5 o'clock we are meeting. You have any class today at 5? Ayush?
No, sir.
No, so 5 o'clock we are meeting, yeah? Only Ayush. Ayush, Aryan also. Ayush and Aryan. Okay. Learn all the formula and come. Ayush, sub formula याद होना चाहिए. X raised to n, all those formulae. First formula. Okay. Can I close the class?
Yes, sir.
Yes.